the price or something like that. Okay, that depends on the quantity and all that. Okay, so you can reach me on jkapani@gmail.com, justinkapani.im@gmail.com, justinkapanioffice@gmail.com. We are presently based in I was going to say London. We are presently based in Delhi NCR, Noida. So I'm on your screens right now, and this is not about my work and stuff. This is actually about health. My share is about health. First of all, cheers to you on a fantastic chai. This is a ginger chai I'm having because it's good for your throat and for your system. It's extremely healthy. So now my share is actually on health. So with the weather change and everything, I had shared this last that there's a certain kind of an infection in the air and stuff. Some people have been rushed to the hospital and all. Thank God I got the right doctor. So I'm fighting it through at home by taking a break and all that. Yes, I've been keeping a little unwell for a while, but that's because of the neck cervical and everything. And I will share this a little later when I'm a lot better, better, knocked back to normal and stuff on what went wrong and what you have to really, really take care of when you go into a hospital or you have some medicines or you listen to doctors or therapists online, offline who use casual words and lingos and stuff like that, and they convince you that you got something very serious. And my last post was a placebo effect, where you may not even have anything, but a doctor or somebody will give you just a regular, you know, water injection or something, and you're going to think you're going to be improving and getting better. Or maybe you just have a little bit of a headache and you think it's so goddamn serious. So somebody will just give you a chewy pill and stuff, saying that it's going to get better, and you're definitely going to get it better. But that's not the medicine. It's basically your mindset. So coming back to the health and everything and all that, since it's going to be the weekend and stuff, so people may want to consider going to a gym and stuff or exercising more. So my share is actually upon what are the few things you can do and stuff you can do to kind of protect yourself and your health and everything. Cutting on the TV time or the social media time, or cutting, maybe socializing a lot, or maybe spending time on frivolous stuff which is not really useful enough. Okay, so these are these tips which I have here, and sticking to these, some of these will actually help you a lot. Even if you're a morning person or a night owl or whatever, or if you're an afternoon person who gets energy to work in the afternoon, maybe your job is like that, maybe you're creatively inclined towards being in the office at that time and stuff. So a few tips which can naturally and actually protect your heart, give you more energy, make you feel good and stuff. These are very simple and basics. Okay, so number one is going green. Going green. It was St. Patrick's Day on the 17th of March. So this was actually the day when you actually could look at, or could have, or still can next year kind of execute, including a lot of green in your diet or in your clothes or in your interiors and stuff like that. Why am I sharing this? Because the moment you add green, it's going to actually be food, or it's going to be probably vegetables, which are going to be packed with vitamins and minerals and stuff, which are really good for you. So toss in, some green leaves and salads, and have some sprouts and have stuff like that. Maybe some cabbage, and you're going to definitely start feeling better for your sisters and stuff and everything. If you're in some pain, maybe you have a headache, maybe you have a stomach ache, maybe you have a toothache, maybe you have a body ache or something. To deviate and not focus on the pain, start looking at nature, spend some time in nature. So I'll be very honest with you, most of the people I know had got corona, and everybody told me, I think you had it, and probably you did not even know that you had it, and you came out of it and stuff. But I didn't ever have any symptoms of corona, and the reason is, I would spend a lot of my time in the neighborhood. I would be in the park. I would be walking around, because how I worked on my exercise and my mindset was, if everybody's going to be at home, there's nobody going to be on the street. And if nobody's going to be on the street, there are not going to be any carriers of the infection. So I would wear a mask, or I would wear two masks, and I would go for my walk. And I think out of 6 years, I think only 5.5 years I've been on the street, and I worked out and I exercised at home and stuff, and I practiced positive thinking. I included praying a lot. I only hung around with positive people. I read good stuff, watched good movies. Yes, I was in the hospital for other people, my family, and stuff like that. But to me, I had taken tests over the years. Every time I had a small symptom of a cough and cold, I took a test and I did not have it. Why did not I did not get it? You know why I didn't get it? Because I reduced my time soaking up and thinking about corona. ये करेंगे तो ये हो जाएगा. If I hang around here, I'm going to get it. If I hang around with people who got it, I'm going to get it. If I'm going to not take, the right precautions, I'm going to get it and stuff. So half of it was fear, and because I come from a fitness and I mean sports background, I knew that if I'm going to be in the gym and I'm going to be there at a time when there are less people, maybe 5 people, 6 people, or whatever, streets are going to be empty. The gym is open. There was a standing instruction. I'm so glad they understood that we wanted to be in the gym and stuff, and none of the trainers got it. So even there, we would wear a mask and we would exercise and stuff. The reason was because it was important to build your immunity and to build your mental strength. And a lot of people who joined the gym have actually benefited from it, and their lives have got prolonged. Okay, so let me take you to video 2.